Hey, what's up, people? Handsome Inter Studios. I'm going to show you how to add more sound in your library in Frex FL Studios. So I'm going to add more essential sound in our library from the pack that I downloaded for Frex. So this is our pack, FL Studio Frex pack. We are unzipping it.
Kano kakuba mutima free phase mazina ganyuma yitayo let's dance byona byange topakolese bintabula mutwe binfula mezi.
Now that we're done with extracting the zipped file of FL Studio Frex pack, so let's put the extracted files of FL pack in the right folder where FL Studio can allocate them in our FL Frex library. You open your computer, go into Documents folder, find image line, open, then you open the Flex folder. We have the pack. This is where we are going to put, this is where we are going to put our sound, the extracted sound in pack folder of Flex. So you come to this folder, the extracted folder, you open pack, you mark everything, then you after marking everything, you copy to the folder of Frex in pack folder. I'm a pion go feel no vein. I'ma move to the big vibe of cell, cause I'm a star spotlight over eyes. Very good. We're now done with copying the essential pack which was unzipped from the R folder to Frex pack in Documents. So now let's open FL Studio, open Frex, and 100% we'll be able to find the added sound in our library in Frex. Let's open FL Studio and check if our sound is already added there. I'm now opening FL and Frex, and boom, all our added sound in the library is located. Coming to check all the total sound in our library, we're having like 1876 sound located in the library. So let's check and see. We are having the essential pack for Australian grand piano. Now we are checking the sound to ensure whether all the sound is playing or sounding, or the essential pack that was added in our library is all sounding and everything's okay. Well, our sound in the Frex library, everything's sounding. The sound is wow, as you heard about the essential pack of the guitars, the essential pack of the piano. So with over like 1,000 sounds, Frex is a top sound that you can design Animals library pack. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like when the video was helpful. It's Handsome Inter Studios, happy music making as Inter Studios. Peace. Break, 'cause the music so high, vibe so high, we living life. Music go by, we letting.